Hello, hi, good morning everybody. Today there is not a cloud in the sky, right? I think it's nice and warm today. May you all have a nice day. Anyway, it's great to be here to tell you a little bit what kind of life I'm living as an adult. But before getting into the story, I would like to greet my lecturer who I deeply respect, Mr. Faisal Rahman, as an English lecturer. And let me introduce myself. My name is Novia Malia and you can call me Novi. I graduated from SMKN 2 Kabupaten Tangerang, Office Administration Major. I live and born in Tangerang and now I study at Pamulang University. First of all, education is a lifelong journey that extends beyond graduation. As we celebrate this milestone, it's crucial to reflect on the knowledge and experience we have gained. Graduation signifies not just an end, but a new beginning where we must embrace continuous learning. The meaning of lifelong learning is about education should never stop. It evolves through informal experience and personal growth. And I think true education is what remains after formal learning, shaping our ability to dream and achieve. I think education is a powerful factor in expanding job prospects and opening doors to a broader range of career opportunities. In today's competitive job market, employers frequently set educational requirements for positions, with many entry-level roles necessitating at least a high school diploma or bachelor degree. By obtaining a degree, you not only met these minimum qualifications, but also signal your commitment, discipline, and skill development. A degree can thus provide access to careers that align more closely with your personal interests and abilities, helping you step into roles that offer long-term satisfaction and growth. Moreover, candidates with higher education are often more adaptable, making them appealing choices for employers seeking to invest in their workforce future potential. Education serves as a transformative force that goes beyond career preparation, fostering personal growth and development in profound ways through exposure to diverse subjects, ideas, and viewpoints. Education broadens your perspective, allowing you to see the world from multiple angles and challenging you to think critically about complex issues. This intellectual engagement cultivates skills such as problem solving, analyzing, and adaptability, which are invaluable in all aspects of life. Furthermore, the relationship built with teachers, mentors, and classmates contributes significantly to social development, teaching empathy, collaboration, and communication. This connection often become a supportive network, enriching both personal and professional lives, making education an essential journey toward become a more well-rounded, insightful individual. Of course, it's important to note that education is not the only factor that contributes to career success. Other factors such as networking, work experience, and personal qualities can also play a role. However, education can provide a strong foundation for your career and open up a world of possibilities. That's why you must prepare for your career through education. And now I want you to know that I'm still studying at my college. I paid a lot of money, I work for a lot of hours, and I have many experience. I want to share with all of you 3 advice for students who want to work while studying. Because I know how it feels to be on two sides all the time. First, your focus has to be on college because no job is important enough for you to not finish college. College should always be your priority because you wouldn't attend college if it's not important to you. You should choose shifts that are coordinated with lectures because if they are not, you lose your class. I was in a position where I focused more on my job and that cost me some more extra money. I had to give to my college. I didn't care about my college, but only about my job. Only my job. And when I ignored this fact, I remember that I'm working to pay for college, not the other way around. 2. You have to be prepared that it is going to be hard, just like now. It is not an easy task to coordinate your college, job, and private life. That's why you have to be planned out in advance because if you are not, you are going to burn out. It might not be a burnout, but something will suffer for sure. Just like me. You will have less time in a day, you will be tired, but remember that working is going to push you ahead of everyone that was not ready to work alongside college. This way, you have an advantage over all other students, and this can mean a lot. When you finish college and you want to get a job, you will have work experience. It's up to you to choose what you like the best, and when you do, your tie is coordinates this work with your college, which has to be priority. The only downside I see in this is being tired all the time, and it is hard to coordinate all of this in the beginning. But later, it is definitely worth it. Every end has a new beginning. When I graduated from school, I probably thought that it was all over. I believe that my truly learning will only start when I start thinking about taking further education as I am doing now as a college student. I didn't expect too much at first because I lost my way and was not sure which way to go. When I first graduated from school, I started taking steps towards career and start to forget about my education. 3 years have passed as an employee in various companies that I work for, and I have faced many challenges, obstacles, and pressures. And to the point, I began to regret this path that I took. I have a lot of money, connections, friends, and relatives, but I don't have time. I don't appreciate myself enough. I feel like I'm just living as a robot. I don't have enough time to be with people other than my coworkers, and that's when I feel emotional because I can't do anything. Just keep going through to the day like there's no stopping. There are days when I'm tired of everything, bored, sad, feeling dissatisfied, feeling like I'm starting to lose my way, and lack of confidence. After working for 3 years, I start to want to continue my education to college. I asked my family and friends how I should make a decision. After confessing myself, I began to enroll in one of the Tangerang universities, Pamulang University, but I didn't give up my job just like that because I was used to earning money with my own sweat and tears. But yeah, I never burned my parents again. I mean that I'm no longer depend on my parents' finance, so I can't give up my jobs and burden my parents with college payment. Example, so I made the decision to keep working but couple it with college. At first, I thought it will be hard because you have to do two activities at once. But now that I think about it, I can't give up on either of them. So I am determined to keep struggling to continue my education and career. I hope that with this decision I can become a better person and upgrade myself. As time passed, I found my identity and direction that I had previously given up on. I, for example, I found a new hobby, I got lots of friends and connections, I got lots of lessons and experience. I became braver and more agile in responding to things. I became quicker and more precise in responding to things. I found self-satisfaction, got more quality time with friends and family, and even became a place to lean on that I didn't share with anyone before. I found people on the same frequency, got a lot of attention and affection, got a lot of self-building advice, and the most important thing in life as an adult is experience. Experience is a part of us. I'm sure that if we learn a lot, we can get whatever we want. It's not easy, but what you get later will be the result of the effort you struggle for a big success that you cannot imagine. By studying and working until now, I have learned a lot. I think grow as an adult is about learning and experience. How you create, develop, and maintain. I got everything through studying and persistent effort. I'm grateful for the many support I have received so far. Thank you for everything. I'm truly grateful and happy. Thank you to my parents who have raised me, cared me, and loved me. Also, thanks a lot to my relatives and friends who have given me full support. Maybe that's all I can share with all of you. Sorry if there are many shortcomings. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.